Hey today I'm gonna do a skincare unboxing and I'm also gonna do a try on. So this box is like 2 weeks old, I don't know, but this is from Ulta and gosh, my cough doesn't go away. Anyway, sorry. This is from LoveKinship and I already did a video trying out a LoveKinship product. It was a, what was it? The primer with sunscreen that I love, that I recommended. I already have a video on it. Anyway, so today is the same brand, but this time it's an eye cream, so I'm so excited to try this out. I don't have eye creams, so I needed one. But another reason why I don't buy any eye creams is because I saw like a dermatologist or esthetician, one of those skin doctors, I can't remember what kind it was, but I saw on my Instagram reels when I scrolled down that doctor lady said that eye cream doesn't even do much. You don't need it, and it's pointless and useless. Basically, it's just something that brands, businesses do so they can get more money. So I was like, I guess I should listen to her. She knows more than me, than the average consumer, you know. She actually studied for it, kind of thing. But I'm like, you know what, I saw before and afters of this brand of having, you know, of someone having dark circles, and by using this cream, for like a while, I can't remember how long, their eyes, under eyes right here, were brighter and not as dark, and it looked like it worked. So that sold me in. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it out and see if it works, because I do actually have dry under eyes and, you know, all that. So this is the Kinship Brightwave Energizing Brightening Eye Cream. And it's clean, cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist tested. So it has like red algae, vitamin C, mushroom. Girl, I don't freaking know why mushroom is in here, but supposedly it depots. It does great things. You can read it there if you want. So I'm like, you know what? Let's see. This brand has done great things for me, so I'm like, you know what, I might as well try this out. And I love the packaging. It's cute, it's yellow, it's bright, and it looks big. I feel like it's gonna last me a long time. And this is you just gently tap around eye area, AM and PM. So let's see if I remember. So this is how it looks. It's kind of heavy and it has great quality. This feels heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna open this. Ooh, what? I didn't think it was gonna be this color. I thought it was gonna be white. What the heck? And I just showered, so I haven't done my skincare. Oops, I forgot to wash my face. I should have done it before applying this cream. Well, I'm just gonna have to use it like that, but it looks like food. I can't really smell anything. It doesn't have a strong scent at all. I can't really, maybe something slight, but I can't picture anything. I can't describe what it is. It's not really strong. I can't really smell anything. So I'm just gonna apply it like a little bit like this and see. Oh crap, I didn't do it before and after picture, but I'm just gonna put it here. I see people apply eye cream like right here only, but I don't know, I guess I should just put it here too, because I'm right there. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I don't use eye creams, like I said. I just know you're supposed to use your ring finger, and that's it. And my skin's been reacting. My skin's healing. I have eczema. It's gone basically. And I have acne right here, everywhere. So, and it's not because I'm using makeup. It's just because I got sick using masks. Maybe because my body is in stress. My skin's reacting. I don't know. I'm not stressed out, but when you're sick, it's like your body reacts like that. I guess that's why. I don't freaking know, but anyways, there it goes. It feels nice. Does it feel very hydrating? No, I don't feel a super huge difference right now, but it feels cooling a little. It's nice. It's not making my skin react badly overall. Obviously I'm not gonna tell until I use it for about at least 2 weeks, if I remember. So yeah, maybe I do a before picture and after using this for about 2 weeks. I hope I remember. Okay, so let me put maybe a little bit more. I kind of want to apply a little here too on my crow's feet. I don't have any, but so I won't get any. Just a little. Oops, I put a lot in this eye. Anyways, so when I wake up, this part around my eye is really dry. I have a lot of like dry, flaky skin. So okay, so yeah, that's basically it for this video. It's pretty simple. I just wanted to try this out and unbox it. So yeah, first impressions, it's pretty great, so I like it overall. So yeah, bye, thanks for watching.